Hello and happy Tech Tip Tuesday for another week of falling in love with new quizzes. So now you have your quiz transferred over. You're going to find all of your options that you're used to over here in the build section. So I'm going to click on build, and today I'm going to go over settings with you. So here we have the option to shuffle questions, shuffle answers, one question at a time, allow backtracking. These are all options that you already have. There's your access code. You can do a time limit. Here's something you don't have on classic quizzes. The students can mark out answers that they know are incorrect, kind of like on standardized testing. Allow multiple attempts, and you can choose which score to keep. You can choose how many attempts, and you can require time between the attempts so that they have to wait before they take it again. And you can also enable build on last attempt, which means they only have to answer the ones that they missed. And then, as always, you really want to make sure that you hide the results from students. When you're done setting those up, you just hit return, and those are saved to the quiz.